Hello guys! So, nandito na naman tayo gala-gala sa kakahuyan. Ayan, maganda ang araw ngayon. Kaya naman ang The Lindsey family ay gagala sa kakahuyan na naman. Kaya yan, samahan nyo kami guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga puno na wala pang dahon. Ito yung aking group, ang aking crew. Oh, napakataas doon, oh, makapatirik doon guys. Tingnan nyo, wala pang ano yan, oh. Wala pang mga dahon. So pupunta tayo, ewan ko kung saan to pupunta to. Ito yung ano guys, ito yung trail na hindi namin natapos noong nag-negative 6. Tapos naglakad kami dito. Napakahangin guys, napakahangin. So isang ano mo lang yun, pagkakamali mo lang kasi gugulong ka doon sa baba ng ilog guys. Isang pagkakamali mo lang dito. Ayan, naiwan na naman ako, kaya takbo. Naiiwan ako lagi sa ano guys, sa gubat. And papunta yan doon sa ano. Here, make sure to hold, Clay. Make sure to hold, Clay. Look at those water over down there. Oh, they have trail over here, huh? No. Did you see that?
No, no, no.
Over there, oh. Trail. Go, go, go. So, hanapin natin yung ano, tulay. There's the bridge.
There's a bridge.
You see the bridge? Grabe, ang ginaw pala dito. Maginaw. Oh, isang pagkakamali mo lang talaga dito. Gugulong ka talaga doon, no, sa baba. Kaylee, stop texting. Look at this thing.
I'm not texting.
Oh, watch what you're walking because you can.
I'm watching.
It's not safe to walk in here. Look, really close. Ah, you think it's funny?
No.
Right then.
No.
Go, 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 go.
Please don't throw my phone off the edge.
Tirik na tirik, oh. Come on, Kile. Leave us in here. Han, you need to hold Clay. Hold him.
I gotta go pee. You guys go on.
Takot dito guys kasi ang liit nung daanan eh. Kunting dulas lang eh. Kunting dulas eh. You going this way? Are we going this way?
They're going that way.
Oh, okay. I guess this going this way. That way.
Oh, well, they're going that way.
Ah, okay.
I guess we're following them.
Kakatakot kay ang liit ng daanan. Pero, yan. Oo. Takbuhan. Sige, takbo. Sige, itong maliit na to, naiwan na. Yan. Yan. Punta daw kami sa taas. Hindi daw muna kami doon sa baba. Sige, lakad tayo. Lakad ulit. Lakad. So maganda mag-walking guys kasi hindi pa siya hindi pa masyadong green yung mga kakahuyan. Keep going, Clay. I guess that one is dead end. Keep going. I guess we win here, Kaylee, right?
No. Oh yeah, we did. Look, dead end.
That one is dead end. Whatever. Somebody have bike over here? Hello ko. So papunta to doon daw sa tulay. Ewan ko lang kung papunta to sa tulay. Kung saan pupunta ito, wala kaming dadaanan dito. May ano dito eh.
Oh, let me throw.
Kukulit nito. Naglalaro pa. Laga naman. Ay,
Go
nako.
get it.
Go! Huwag ko kung saan yung ano. Sabi may tulay daw eh. May tulay. So, tingnan natin yung papuntang tulay. Cole, never touch stop. That's not yours. Aw. Papunta pala to doon. Punta sa taas. Ito, naiwan na yung dalawang makulit, oh. Ayaw kasi pag ano. Ayan. More lakad-lakad para sa kalusugan. Dalawa lagi yung mag-holding hands. Maglakad pa rin. Yung magtatay talaga itong dalawang ito. Sila talaga yung close sa isa't isa maglakad. Ewan kung saan to papunta. O, tingnan mo yan guys. O. Nagdadaanan na saan na yung dalawa. Yun. Yung dalawa. Ang kulit. Yeah, yan guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan papunta ito. Pero parang lalabas. Lalabas. May labasan yata ito. Hi guys, are you going out? Going out somewhere.
I see the bridge.
No, that's not the bridge. We're far away. Tingnan nito, Missy. Kasi gusto lang pumunta daw sa bridge. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung tulay. Sinasabi nila. Parang ang layo eh. Ano ba na ba eh? Clay, ano ba yan? Kakahuyan. Oh, yan.
Take you to the bridge.
That's the stairs.
That one?
That path will take you to the bridge.
Okay. So that's the one. Okay, we're going in there.
Hey, Dad, there's a motorcycle right here.
Yeah, you can bring the motorcycle.
It's faster. Oh, ito pala yung ginagawa nilang tulay. Okay. Ito yung parking lot. This is parking lot. Where are they supposed to go? He knows. Oh, that way is going that way. Okay, go. Pasaway. Papuntang tulay. Okay. Ito papuntang tulay.
Hey, Keelan.
There's a bridge over here. Look at the water. It's beautiful. Look at the beautiful water. Yeah. Beautiful water. Look.
Oh no, get down. Look, get
That's
down.
not safe, Cole. Come on, get down now. So here's Clay over here.
How you were diving?
Yeah.
Why can someone fell off?
We should come out here on a big, after a big rain and see the water gushing through here
Yeah. The,
like a river.
No, we should bring the motorcycle through here.
Yeah.
no, you're not allowed to come here.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, they have some path going to the river. Oh. Look at Clay is going. He's going. I don't even see.
That we should bring our motorcycle through there. We can come out there and
Yeah, if they have rainfall, all the waters come in here that way. Waters everywhere.
we can go under.
The water come in here, right? Sometimes.
Well, if it's really big,
Yeah.
maybe.
Mhm.
go back to the car?
Look at this motorcycle thing, huh?
Yeah.
Is that motorcycle?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was
guess so.
fun.
So here on the bridge.
That was go together.
Kili is over there.
Let's go see what that says.
Go see it and come back and tell me.
No, I want to see it together.
Well, we're gonna go down this way.
I guess you're not allowed to go there, Cole.
Daddy.
Cole, I guess you're not allowed to go there.
You can go there.
Alright, I'm keep going. Tay kami sa mga boys at naiwan doon. Lumiko sila sa ibang direksyon. Si Kili, tingnan nyo. Umuupo na. Umuupo na siya. Uy, ayan oh, ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. So, ayan. Papunta kami doon. Hindi ko alam kung saan to direksyon ito guys, yung walking namin. Pero mahaba-haba pa yata ito. So, hala. Sige. Google lang. Si Kili, oh.
Hi.
Oh, look at the picture, Kili. What is that all about? Is that a picture for the flowers and stuff?
It's a land.
It's a land.
It's grass.
It's a nice picture. So the boys is coming, you know. Sila, padating na sila, oh. So yan. So karamihan guys ng puno ay hindi pa pinalikan ng mga dahon. So ayan. Yan, tingnan niyo naman, dry na dry pa rin siya. Wala pa siyang mga dahon. Yung iba, mayroon na, green na yung iba. So, ayan. Uy, may mga bahay pala to dito. Uh-oh.
What?
This is a dead end.
Maybe, yeah.
No one is going that up in there. There's nothing there. Where is a trail? This is not trail.
It's a road, I told you.
Oo. I guess we're gonna go back. Nung mga kasama ko, nawala na. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na. Mabalik na kami doon sa kagubatan ulit, no? Hindi ko alam yung mga kasama ko na iwan. Si Kili nandun, no? Yan, no? Nagtatago sa malaking puno. Agta. Ayan, papunta na sila dito. Ayan. Ayan, punta na sila. Ayan si Kolo. Guys, balik na kami sa aming destination. Ayan, yun yung whole family.
Oh, there's a glitch.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next
Oh, here we are.
vlog.
Back to the
Babu.
car.
Babu.